AWS image or video input. Description input of image or video to an AWS service. This can be used for various tasks, such as object detection, image classification, and video analysis. Prerequisites: AWS account. An AWS account is required to use AWS services. You can sign up for a free tier account at https://aws.amazon.com https://aws.amazon.com. Enroll with permissions. You will need to create an enroll with the necessary permissions to access and use the AWS services that you plan to use with your image or video input. Use cases: object detection. Identify objects in an image or video, such as people, cars, or animals. Image classification. Categorize images based on their content, such as identifying different types of flowers or animals. Video analysis. Analyze video content to extract insights, such as detecting motion, recognizing faces, or transcribing speech. Steps: upload image video to S3. Store your images or videos in an Amazon S3 bucket. This provides a secure and scalable storage solution for your data. Use AWS Service API. Use the API of the relevant AWS service to process your image or video. For example, you could use Amazon Recognition for object detection or Amazon Transcribe for speech recognition. Challenges and fixes: image video size limits. Some AWS services have limits on the size of images or videos that they can process. Use compression. Compress your images or videos to reduce their file size. This can be done using tools such as gzip or bzip2. Resize images, videos. Resize your images or videos to a smaller resolution. This can be done using image processing libraries or tools. Input format incompatibility. Some AWS services may only support certain image or video formats. Convert to supported format. Convert your images or videos to a supported format using tools such as AWSImageorVideoInput or FFmpeg. Network latency. Network latency can affect the performance of your image or video processing tasks. Use regional endpoints. Use regional endpoints for the AWS services that you are using. This will reduce the latency between your application and the service. Optimize network configuration. Ensure that your network configuration is optimized for performance. This may involve adjusting bandwidth settings or using a content delivery network (CDN). API rate limits. AWS services may have rate limits on the number of API calls that you can make per second or per minute. Use throttling mechanisms. Implement throttling mechanisms in your application to avoid exceeding the API rate limits. Implement retry logic. Implement retry logic in your application to handle cases where API calls fail due to rate limits. Cost optimization. You can optimize the cost of your image or video processing by using cost-effective AWS resources. Use spot instances. Consider using spot instances for your compute resources. Spot instances are a cost-effective way to run your applications. Optimize storage configuration. Choose the right storage class for your S3 bucket. For example, if your images or videos are rarely accessed, you could use the S3 Glacier storage class to reduce storage costs.